Let me introduce you to satin stitch. This is hands down one of my favourite embroidery techniques. It's like colouring in with thread. Satin stitch involves covering an area with flat stitches placed closely together, making it look smooth and shiny, like satin. Let me show you some examples of satin stitch in my patterns. Here, in my beginner pattern Blooming Butterfly, we use satin stitch to fill the body of the butterfly and to create these lovely flowers. In this pattern here, called Floral Rainbow Sampler, which is great for confident makers, we've used satin stitch to fill in some of the flower petals. And in this pattern, the Treehouse, which is for super confident makers, we use satin stitch to fill the walls and roof of the house with a lovely smooth effect. As you can see, this technique is awesome for adding a pop of colour and filling in areas of your pattern. And before we begin, I just want to throw it out there that satin stitch might sound simple, but for many stitchers, it's a challenging embroidery technique to get the hang of. Getting your stitches to land in the right spot and fit together snugly definitely takes some practice. Trust me, practicing really does make a big difference, and you'll be so surprised at how much you improve each time you practice your satin stitch. So remember to embrace the learning process and just focus on the progress you're making. Don't aim for perfection, especially as a beginner. You've got this. All right, now it's time for you to learn the satin stitch technique.